Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying firmware and CP app compatibility so the devices can communicate. Once you have cables and network access, power on Everest TV and the control processor. Make sure developer or network options are visible in settings. Enable them to allow pairing. You'll also want to connect the CP to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet link for stability. These steps reduce handshake errors and prepare both devices for the next, more detailed pairing sequence. Next, open the CP pairing interface and scan for the Everest TV. You select the device, and when prompted, enter the on-screen PIN to establish a secure link. Once paired, configure display resolution and audio pass-through so video and sound match expectations. Enable HDMI CEC if you want single remote control. If the environment requires reliable connections, assign a static IP to Everest TV. This prevents address changes that break control mappings. Take time here to test. To finish, run a complete input and remote test sequence, cycling sources and issuing playback commands so you verify end-to-end control. Once done, save the CP configuration and lock the Everest TV network settings. If you encounter lag, first reboot both devices. That clears transient network or handshake problems. If there is no response after reboot, recheck cables and Wi-Fi channels, then repair. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on Everest TV only after exporting settings, because that clears persistent pairing corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.